My friends, I have high hope for this one. So let's get to unwrapping these. My friends, I started it because it is locked up. I've never seen anything wrapped this good in my life. So even just to cut the package open, problem. So please hold, I need more help. Okay, my friends, I'm back. Still in the bag, but whew, that was a challenge. I think they must like vacuum seal this in that bag. It was really a big struggle. But this one they put on the website and advertised it as genuine cowhide leather. So that explains why it's a little bit more pricey. We'll see what it's like. Actually, the color is beautiful. They call this color elephant gray. It's very, very beautiful. So this is what it's looking like so far. Comes with the little feet, and it even has the little protectors on the feet here. Very nice. Even the glazing on the you notice everything? But even the glazing on the sides of the bag here. Wow, this, my friend, is very well done. So they come with the styrofoam protection right on the clasp of it here. And let's get this undone here. I might have to take another break. Yes, I'll be back. I've never had a bag like this. I have never had a bag wrapped so well in everything for protection in all my life. So this is a new experience for me, and it was, to be honest, a little bit of a struggle. Okay, not even a little. It was a lot of a struggle, but I think I got it. I got it all done. And here we are, finally back, okay? The struggle came when they had these little straps all wrapped in plastic, all hooked in the back of here. But anyway, here it is in all its glory. Really, this bag is like top notch, A+, A+++. The only thing that this bag is missing is the logo. Generally, you will have the brand logo here on this part here. You will also have the brand logos on the locks and also on the clasp here in the strap. And you will also have the brand logos on the ends of these clasps here, and you will have a blind mark on the inside. And this one comes with no logos at all, but for me, I don't mind. That's okay. I didn't spend like $38,000 for it either, my friends. But this is the bag. Even the lock itself was on the inside, and it came all wrapped in this protecting seal. And you can see the struggle it is to get everything off. It's like really stuck on super good. So this was all wrapped. This here key, so it has the lock and clochette, I think they call it, lock and clochette. So the lock is in there. I had to put everything together, my friend. So now you know the struggle was real. So it has a little lock in here. It goes with a little key, sorry. It has a little key in here, and it goes with this lock, and it does fit, and it does unlock. And then on the inside here, it's so beautiful. Really, I am blown away by this. It has a little pocket side on the front here, and then in the back, in here, it has a zippered compartment, and the zipper is just like butter. So nice. The only thing, like I said, missing was the logos in it. But the construction of this bag, I've never had one this nice in my life. Okay, even the glaze on the handles are perfect color. The handles are not even twisted in any shape or form. They are beautiful, and even it has glazing on all the little edges of the leather. Even the glazing is on the, by the way, before I get carried away, it comes with also a crossbody strap that comes separate in pieces. So you have one piece here and the other piece. You fasten it together to your size. I really do appreciate the fact that they have little belt loops here. So, sorry, you're looking at it backwards, but it keeps this part tucked in. So it's all tucked in nice, nothing flapping or loose. You know, that kind of irritates me. But the handle of the crossbody strap is beautiful. Beautiful. I have no words for this. If you want it, because it's not expensive, okay, it's the most expensive of the three that I got, but it's not that unaffordable. It is very, very beautiful. And the color, my friend, it is my color. I love it. Even the glazing is a little bit like burgundy, like a deep burgundy color on there, but completely beautiful. Blown away, blown away. Even the little feet on the bottom came with protection, and they supplied the little feet protectors. So I put those all on too. So all of the feet are all protected, but the fabric, the leather on this smells so beautiful and feels so beautiful. So it's not pliable like soft leather, but stiffer, and it will hold its shape. So it will look very beautiful sitting all on its own. My friends, I really am blown away. I love it. I love it. Now I want one in every color. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this. And also, like I said before, if you're interested in this, it's from Walmart. It's nicknamed or duped the Workin Burkin. It is beautiful. I will have it linked in my link tree, and I will see you again tomorrow for another unboxing, because today 3 packages arrived. So excited. Ciao everyone. See you tomorrow.